Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Okay, so this is really funny. As you know that I've been doing video every single day and I need a lot of content, so I feel like I'm really ahead of the game plan, meaning that I'm going to show you Halloween DIY decoration. It's only, what is it? September the 12th. We have 1 month, more than 1 month away to have Halloween. But this is good though, so we are much more ahead. And I can totally see myself doing Christmas stuff in sometime early October now. So anyway, so today, like I said, I want to show you guys how to do amazing, well, I think it's amazing Halloween decoration from Dollar Tree. And let's get started. If this is the first time you watch my video, welcome to my channel. I'm Steve, Mr. Jen All-in-One. My channel is focused on the following area: fashions, luxury, beauty. Because I have over 27 years experience in cosmetic, I also own my own cosmetic company, Ibu Beauty. And my favorite thing in the whole wide world, Disneyland. If you like the topic I just shared with you right now, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel because I release a video every single day. So the reason why I'm doing the Dollar Tree DIY again is because I did a video with Giuseppe Genesis and Rich Lux. It was really fun, and it's my first time I actually went to Dollar Tree store. I usually go to the Japanese Daiso. I've never been to Dollar Tree. I was pretty impressed with the stuff they have there, and I created a really cool centerpiece with their help. I'll put a video down below so you can check it out. And I thought that, maybe I should do a little bit more in-depth, create more different pieces. So today I want to show you 3.5 pieces that I create and kind of show you step by step how I do it, why I do it. And I think you can recreate this. One thing I do want to let you know that just because you bought at Dollar Tree doesn't mean your final creation will be cheap, because you're putting a lot of stuff in there. However, I still think it's cheaper than buying outside, and plus it's your own, it's something that you design, and I think that's a very special. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this beautiful wreath. I think I said that right. I made this from Dollar Tree. Can you believe this? Let me show you. So when I bought a wire just like that without the, it's actually just a wire without anything on there. It's $1. Basically everything's $1. Then what I did is I saw they have a lot of fake flower, the fall flower. I kind of just put it into the wire to see the layout. And then once I see what I like, and I didn't even glue them. For the flower, there's a stand I just kind of tie around the wire so they stay really well. Then next thing I did is I put all the pumpkin in different places. A hot glue gun. Hot glue gun is your best friend when you're doing DIY. Don't burn yourself though. Then after I did that, I need to fill out the space. I used a smaller size pumpkin to fill in between, and it's still missing something. That's where you put a ribbon on there. I'm using 2 different types of ribbon to create dimensions. Doesn't have to make sense. You want some high, some low, and honestly, you do what's right for you. So I definitely thinking that I will do again for Christmas, for the Christmas wreath. But I think this is really pretty. In fact, this can stay up all the way to Thanksgiving because it's the fall design. What do you think? And as somebody left my IG, I asked that, what else can I do DIY? I should definitely put a starlight on this. It would be light up, very cute. And after I made this, I was thinking, I want to make another one. So I was just kind of weaving the fake flower and the ribbon. No glue, everything just kind of weave in into the wreath, and I'm still working on this project right now. Probably not gonna make another video for this, but you can check this one on my Instagram. It's Jen All-in-One, and you can see different things. So what do you think so far? Do you like it? I think this looks pretty nice. Okay, let's move on to next item here. Next item is what I actually already done once with Giuseppe Genesis and Rich Luss. It is the centerpiece, pumpkin centerpiece. Oh, please let me show you guys something real quick. So each pumpkin here is $1, and I basically grabbed the whole box when I was in the store. I'm like, I need all this. I need all this. Oh my gosh. Poor design, Steve. Okay, let me show you why this is important. I'm gonna do all this. Okay, ta-da! So I basically, this is very simple. You basically glue all the pumpkin that you like, alternate the different colors, and you can use different pumpkin too. They have let me show you. They also have this kind of this type of pumpkin. You can use this too, but this has no light in there. I like this is because it kind of glow in the dark. And what the trick is, as you layer them, you need to remove the top of the pumpkin, this stud. You remove that so you can stack them up higher, and don't just step out straight. You want to give it dimensions, especially, you see this right here? You want to be able to turn on the light and turn off the light, otherwise defeat the purpose. So you want to finish the base, the big pumpkin first. After that, then you can put on a smaller item to fill the gap. So I was using a different smaller pumpkin sizes. And this is small pumpkin, they actually come in like a couple pieces in one package. So for $1, you get a couple pieces. So it's a really, really good deal. And then after I did that, I add the spider. You gotta have a little spider. It's a spooky Halloween. Again, I'm using a color contrast and putting the purple over the orange, things like that. And then last thing I do is putting the ribbon. Ribbon is very, very important. For some reason, ribbon just create the look basically. And on the very tops, I just put a bit spider on top, but this spider just blocks, kind of boring. So I add another baby on the top. So yeah, you can make this as big as you want. I mean, you can do another layer if you want to. I think this is a really beautiful centerpiece for Halloween. Yeah, so this is my creation. And what I did here is that originally I put the spider. Kind of spider is carrying the pumpkin a little bit. I thought that's just really cool, very, very pretty. By the way, as you're watching this video, if you have any idea that you wanted to do or you've done it before, please share with us here, because I'm not an expert on DIY, honestly. I like to do it, but I'm not that good. So, yeah. So the last one I did, actually just two more I want to show you. I was kind of like a creative blog. It's like, what else can I do? I mean, let me show you guys something here. I still have all the stuff here. I still have a lot. I can still create a lot. I just can't figure out what I want to do. So I thought, well, what if I just create a Halloween basket to put candy in there? So I have this red basket for $1. See, the base is red. And I just started putting, I cut the pumpkin. Remember the pumpkin I was telling you? I cut a half. Originally, I tried to cut different way. It didn't work. And plus, let me tell you, styrofoam is all over my house. It was so annoying. I was vacuuming the house while I'm making this because I can't stand any styrofoam all over. So I decided to just cut a half and just kind of glue around it. But then there's a lot of gap in between, so I put a smaller pumpkin in between gap. Then I started using the rope on the top to create a little bit dimension and texture. So after that, I went ahead to put the garland on the top. But then I quickly realized that, oh, I should put a leaf right under each little pumpkin. Because without this, you can still see the bowl beneath this. So it's not very pretty. So I kind of just cut the leaf and put it right underneath each little pumpkin. So that's kind of like the base. Then I feel like the inside just red is really, really ugly. So I went ahead to put a skeleton cardboard all around it. Then I'm thinking, oh, what if we made this? You see, the thing is when you create stuff, the idea just keep coming in, right? So what if I make it like a witch's potion, what do you call it? Potion pots. So this is represent potion pots. And so this is, yeah, so what I did is I put the ribbon glue, kind of randomly glue underneath, then throw some little spider in there. So it's kind of like I'm making potion, have a spider crawling out the pot. Does that make sense? What do you think? I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. And let me tell you this, as I bring this out to my studio, I noticed something I can also do. I can put my centerpiece on here. Check this out. Whoa! Now this is the centerpiece. 2-in-1 multitasking. I love it. See? This is really cool. Okay, so that's this one. And there's another thing that I was doing. I found this really cool skeleton cups with straw. It's silver. And I was like, you know what? When I was there, I can just kind of, brush the glue over the skeleton and dust some glitter. So I made this too. This is so funny. I put a pink on there. After I finish, I'm thinking, it's Halloween. And it's Thanksgiving, it's Christmas. I mean, this may work on Christmas, but I really need something like this color. But you can see it's pretty cool though. Definitely you can't really touch for too long. I mean, actually not bad, but you're still gonna get glitter. It's really for decoration purpose. I think this is really cute. I mean, I feel like when you're doing DIY, it's really the way to relax, decompress, focus on yourself. And I have to say I really enjoy doing this. The only thing I'm not enjoying this is cutting out all the tag or cleaning up all the glitter in my house. I'm a little bit OCD. I like my place clean, and so it's kind of annoying doing that. But anyway, I made it to work. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. I will take some photo later to show you how I decorate this all over my place. Yeah. So I just want to show you this a quick DIY from Dollar Tree. I'm really happy. So I really hope that you liked today's video. Like I said again, if you have done amazing Dollar Tree DIY, leave a comment below or tag me on your photo on my social media, Mr. Jen All-in-One. I would love to repost and share your project too. Alright, thank you so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!